Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Girl is back with another video. This is quarantine and makeup with your girl Amoya Rae. This look that I came up with today, guys, was off the cuff. How are you feeling it? Let me know in the comments below. Carry on watching to get all the deets and to see how I did this look. And do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next post. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go straight in and we are going to add the Makeup Academy primer oil onto my skin. To start rushing in my products soon, because who knows when they're gonna put us on real lockdown. We can't even leave. I need to not to go too crazy with my products that I have. So I'm just adding the Illuminator. I am going in with my foundation now, and I'm going to be using the Loreal True Match foundation. It's in honey. I'm also going to be using the Born This Way foundation, and that is in caramel. So I just mix both of those colors and I'm just going to apply. I love using this brush to apply it as well. It's a good applicator. It kind of reminds me of those brushes that you use to apply face masks. This is number 205, the Real Techniques brush. It's like the flat one. I'm just gonna get my beauty blender and just press that in. Go in and I'm going to conceal and I'm going to contour. So I'm going to put them all on at the same time, just get it all done and blend it all out. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be using it in color Tawny, and I'm going to be using the HD concealer by NYX in color Cocoa. I'm going to use that to contour with. So let's get started. So I'm going to go in my contour colour now, and this is in Cocoa, and this is from NYX. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to start blending that out. I'm going to start with the concealer first and then just work my way around the face. So what have you guys been doing this quarantine? I've been cooking a lot. It feels like I'm cooking even more, which I probably am, because now I have to like do lunch, breakfast, lunch and dinner for my daughter, for my boyfriend. So yeah, it's forced me to learn to do a lot of new dishes that I haven't done before, and it's actually been really good. Have you guys been watching all the lives? I got put onto the Tory Lanez live quarantine radio. It's actually really entertaining. But those people that are on there that are just doing the most, like, do they realize that quarantine will be over and these videos are never going to be gone? We are going to be seeing them. But let me not be a party people. Let people live their lives, yeah? It's quite entertaining to watch, so why am I complaining? So what do you guys really think about this corona thing then? Are you sold to the fact that, yep, it's definitely a virus, it definitely came from China, and you know, it does what they say it does, you know, it attacks people that don't have the best immune system, etc. Or are you guys a part of the conspiracy theory where you think that this has been put here, it's for a new world order? What do you guys think? I'm kind of in between, I'm not going to lie. Some days I think, you know, like, especially when they tell you the death toll, I'm like, oh my days, it's like really serious. And other times I'm just like, are we getting all the facts? Are we getting all the facts? I don't know. I just don't know sometimes. just gonna go in with my HD concealer because it's really light, so I just gonna add a little bit more. So what have you guys been watching? What have you guys been watching? I've been watching same old stuff, you know, Black Ink Crew, Real Housewives of Atlanta, but I do want to see some more stuff, so if you've got any suggestions, list it below. So I want to see The Handmaid's Tale. Is that good, guys? I might start watching that one. We are going to bake this face now, honey, and I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup first, and then I'm going to go in my lace, you know, the routine dolls. So let's just stamp a little bit of that Sacha Buttercup powder in. Okay, so I'm going to go in my Hoola bronzer now, and I'm going to go over the area that I contoured. I'm going to put on some blush. This is Pincho Peach from MAC. Before I forget, I'm gonna carve out my cheeks. Okay, so brows are done. I'm gonna go and add my PLouise base, but what I'm gonna do is I'm also going to use it as a concealer for my brows. Okay, so we're going to start on the eyes. Start the chocolate gold. I'm going to go into the chocolate gold palette, and I'm going to go into Cocoa Truffle. Going to So Boujee, which is like a lighter brown. I'm going to cut a crease. I don't like a round cut crease today. Trying something new. So I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Magic by Juvia's palette, and I'm going to go into Boroni. Yeah, Boroni. I used a little bit of that colour for a tear duct the other day, and I was like, oh, this colour is really nice. I'm going to go in with my gel crystal liner. Glam crystals, my Glam crystal liner from Collections. I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Truffle. Gonna go in with my liquid liner. So I'm gonna go in with brown truffle. I'm gonna go with my nude liner. Okay dolls, so I'm back. My battery died unfortunately, so I just put on my lashes. So added some bottom lashes as well, just to open up this look. I absolutely love this look now. At first I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I really liked it, but adding lashes, oh, changes the whole game. I'm gonna set my face with the Sports Fit from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to get my highlighter. So now I'm going to go and get my brush, and I'm just going to start blending this in. I'm going to go in with my dark liner. So I'm gonna use this lipstick from MAC. I've had it for years, but I've never worn it, and I actually stumbled up on it yesterday. So I was like, gonna be using a lot more of this. It's like a really pale pink nude colour. Obviously I wouldn't leave it like this because it looks ashy as F. Just gonna grab this gloss. It's just a clear gloss. I wasn't feeling it at first. When I first did it, I was just like, oh, I'm not sure, because I did some new things today. With my cut crease, I did a round cut crease. I don't normally do that. I normally do a halfway cut crease or the full cut crease. Just loving this beat. But yeah, I am really feeling this look, doll. I will be back. Got really dark hair at the moment, so I'm just trying to get used to it. So I'm just going really soft with my brows, not making them too intense because I just don't want to look like Morticia. This wig, by the way, is from Luxe Beauty Essentials. You can get them online. They ship worldwide. They have balm wigs, lace fronts, all of that. So this wig is from there. It's like a lob, so it's not too long. I like that length hair. It's easy to manage. Thank you dolls so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe dolls, and I will see you in my next video.